Now, in this video, we are going to study about the digital banking in India. Now, payment system. Payment system promotes market efficiency and reduces the cost of exchanging goods and services. So in India, payment system is entrusted to RBI. So who looks after this payment system? RBI. Where the Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payment and Settlement Systems, chaired by the governor, spearheads his responsibility. So in RBI, we have something called BPSS. What is BPSS stands for? Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payment and Settlement System. So there is a Department of Payment and Settlement System created by RBI in the year 2005 to focus on payment and settlement system. There was also legislation of an act called Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. So, India is one of the few countries that has a specific payment system law. What is the main aim of this law? To provide the regulation and supervision of payment system in India and to designate RBI as an authority for the purpose and matters connected therewith. So, as per this PSS Act, no other person other than RBI can commence or operate any payment system in India. So, if you want to commence an operating payment system, you should get the authorization by RBI. So, who is the authority? Supreme authority? RBI. Now, who has RBI authorized? RBI has authorized various types of organizations to do payments in our country. RBI has authorized various payment system operators, PSO. RBI has operated and authorized NPCI. RBI has authorized ATM networks, instant money transfer operators, TREDS platform providers, Bharat Bill Payment Operating Units, which is BBPOU, to operate payment system in the country.